No, it's true. More often than not, European hotel rooms don't have these couple things. So this one's confused a lot of my friends when they come overseas for the first time. We get on the elevators. What you notice is a normal elevator, right, with a bunch of floors that are there. But if you notice in the bottom, there's a zero. That's right. They don't start their floors on one like we do. They start on zero. And then one is the floor above. When we walk in on the first floor, they actually go and they walk in on zero. So that's a big change for a lot of people. They talk about what floor we're getting off on. You say zero. So now let's go to the rooms and take a look at the next one. Next up, there's always one of these around the kitchen areas, and that's a kettle. No, not a coffee pot, a kettle. Do you put anything in but water in here? No, just water, heats it up almost instantly, makes wonderful teas and everything else. They provide those. And often you'll find a little Nespresso or Krups machine. But this one will throw you off a little. We don't do our toasters seriously enough. We toast stuff, we throw stuff in the toaster. But no, they used to heat up. They provide little heater trays if you want to put little biscuits, if you want to put, little rolls on the top, little croissants or things you want to heat them up. You just push it down and the heat rises and heats it up. So let's talk about the big one that everyone always asks me about or complains about when they get here. Now, this one is the bigger of the two. This is always a point of contention when people come overseas for the first time to a lot of these hotel rooms. So when you come into the bathroom, it's a lot of things we expect in American hotel rooms. And that, of course, is shower with all glass doors. This one happens to have it. A lot of times they don't even have an all glass shower. It's missing one of the sides, which basically just blocks most of the water. But the other thing you'll find is there's no wash towels. It's just not a thing. You often have to inquire. They do have, and I'll show you, they do have a couple hand towels. They do have dry towels. They had a floor mat. Farther up, they had another hand towel up here, but no wash towels. The sink itself is a couple pieces of glassware. You can see. That's all there is to it. So now, to answer your question, you often have to request it or ask for it when you come over to European hotels if they actually have washcloths in the hotels. So for my American friends are always asking about it, it's just not a thing.